Hey my lovelies, this is SweetZivile. Everyone lately was telling me, oh Zivile, make me some videos, just give me something more, just a picture and the recipe. And I was like, what the heck, let's do this. So here I am, making a video about how I make pork ribs. As many as you know, my husband is after the surgery, and lately in these days I try to make something more comfy, what he likes, what would make him feel more comfortable, and pork ribs are one of these. So today I'll show you how I marinate them, how I remove the film, and at the end of the day I'll show you the picture, or maybe I'll make a new video how I made it and how it tastes. Let's get started. Let's get cooking. Okay, so what do? I like to cover my table with plastic wrap so it reduces washing dishes. I love cooking, but I hate washing dishes. So my husband is my dishwasher, and he's after the surgery, so I'm really upset with that. So I have to do dishes now. So I cover the plastic, so I marinate my ribs and I just pick it up, throw it away, that's it, done. I don't have to wash. I don't have to use extra anything. So I have pork ribs which I washed, and what you need to do, you need some paper towel or napkin, and at very corner you just start a little bit, just to start going, and then you pick up with the paper. Sometimes it doesn't go in one piece, so you just go a few. So why do you have to remove it? If you don't remove it, it's very tough and it kind of doesn't sometimes it goes in many pieces. So, and it doesn't give that tenderness, it just kind of shrinks, and it's not good. You always should be removing that film from pork ribs. So that's it. We removed the film, and you can do like this. You can do a whole piece, but I want to cut in pieces. So I'll grab cutting board, and I'll go along where the bones are. So cut them up. And where is that thinner piece? I just will leave it just by itself. So then I have what I have. Let's start from the olive oil. I have some olive oil going on, just as a binder. Just what spices would stick well, just a little bit. So I have a teaspoon of salt. Then I have half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So sprinkle that on. Probably I have too much mustard seeds. Usually I would do 2 racks. So okay, let's use 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I have 1 tablespoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. Done. Then I have a tablespoon of basil, teaspoon of Szechuan peppers, and teaspoon of black pepper. I read a very interesting book a couple of days ago about why we need to use pepper in our dishes. Why it tastes more tasty. So pepper kind of numbs our muscles there, but all the taste buds, they just work more, more sensitive. So have pork ribs done. So I'm gonna put them in the baking dish and wrap with plastic wrap and put them in the refrigerator, so I don't have to wash extra dish. I don't do like marinating in one, cooking in other. So I marinate it on this plastic wrap, I put in baking dish, I put in the refrigerator, and whenever I'm ready to cook, it's ready to go. So I also forgot to put caraway seeds. What are caraway seeds? Caraway seeds are from cumin family, but they are more fragrant, more like refreshing fragrant. By the way, if you want to try, it's really tasty caraway seed tea. You just take a tablespoon of caraway and pour boiling water, cup of boiling water, and it's so delicious. That's our favorite, like childhood tea. So okay, so some caraway seeds going on the top, and a little more, and that's it. Then I take a tray. I don't put any oil in it because the ribs will reduce some fat, and it's gonna be enough for me. It's gonna be enough. There you go. Look, I pick up that, and so much less cleaning done. So this goes in the refrigerator, and whenever I'm ready to cook, I'll preheat the oven till 375, and I'll cook almost an hour till it looks really like crispy and nice and delicious. I'll see you later. Thank you guys.